Hey, my name is James Mason. In this video, I'm going to explain to you and show you what a doji is. So, a doji is basically a candlestick that shows indecisiveness in the market, and I have all the true doji candlesticks actually highlighted right here. So, some of these other ones, yeah, they are dojis, but they're different forms of them. So these right here, these are true dojis. And so this long tail doji, what this basically represents is, the price had opened up right here, it went all the way up here, and then it lost its value, and it closed out where it started. And basically what this indicates is at one point, this was a bullish candlestick, but then the bears had came in and pushed this down, so this indicates the potential to start predicting a downward trend. So this next candlestick, as you can see, it went down. Now over here, this one was kind of a split right in the middle. And basically what this is saying is, the bulls and the bears were fighting each other out right here. And at one point it went up here, and then it went down here, and then it just decided to settle in the middle. And the next candlestick, the bulls took over. Same thing right here. So it opened at this point, it went down here, it went up, and it closed out. So they basically start to show, a trend that may take place. And, it's just a good candlestick to know. You will see this candlestick fairly often. It is, it's very common, especially if you get down on the 1 minute charts. You'll see them everywhere in the lower cap stocks and whatnot. But it shows the potential for a reversal in that next candlestick, and it's just something to keep your eye on. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.